When you were playing that record, what were you thinking?
Bucket lists are a strange concept, a personalised list of things you want to complete within your life. It can range from having a child, getting married, buying that dream house, or like me, travelling 1,000 miles to take a picture of a lake. For 3 years prior to making this video, there was one specific place I wanted to visit and take a photo of. I first saw it in 2017, a lake with a castle, Lake Bled. For the next few years I carried on as normal, never forgetting that image. 2 years later, 2019, an opportunity arose. A trip, travelling across Europe with a window of opportunity to visit Lake Bled and get that dream image. And thus, our 1,000 miles began. The idea for this trip was not to solely visit the lake, it was to travel across Europe. But this was a way for me to incorporate Lake Bled and that image into it. Everything had aligned perfectly to give us one free day to visit, get the shot, and carry on with the trip. To get the shot, we'd be travelling to Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia. And to get there, we had to travel for 12 days by train across Europe to reach the city. We spent 2 days in the capital before finally getting a bus to Bled. And then came our day, a moment that had been stuck in my head for 2 years. We spent a day here, taking it all in. And after 2 years, I made it to the lake. I did it. And then came the time to get the shot, to get that one photo I've been thinking about this whole time. You see, bucket lists for me aren't these insane, unattainable dreams. They're just the opposite. They're ideas on a piece of paper. Ideas that once spoken out loud. It's not a matter of how it will happen, it's a matter of when. It's been over a year since visiting Lake Bled, and there's nothing more than I enjoy to look back at my time there, fitting in this bucket list shot in the middle of a jam-packed trip, finding that window of opportunity, to take that shot I'd always thought of, to bring it back to the computer, to colour it, to master it, and finally now, to remember it.